Okay, Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. Today, I will be sharing about different type of cargo aircraft operated by both local and international airline. The goal of this presentation is to understand the difference in design capacity and usage of each aircraft. I will go through five types of aircraft, then share a short reaction the at the end. So this is an introduction. Our objective is to identify and analyze various air cargo aircraft used by airline worldwide. The scope is composed of five different cargo aircraft from various manufacturers and countries. The key focus is manufacturer, year introduced, cargo capacity, and current operators. So for the first one is Boeing 747. The manufacturer is from USA, one of the largest cargo planes in the world. It was introduced in 2011 by Boeing in the USA. It can carry around 140 tons of cargo and still widely used by airlines like Cargolux, UPS, and Qatar Airways. The nose loading doors make it easier to load large items. Next is Airbus A330. This aircraft is made by Airbus and entered service in 2010. It's more fuel efficient and ideal for medium haul with a capacity of around 70 tons. It used by Turkish Airlines Cargo, Etihad Cargo and Malaysia owned Mascar which is Mas Cargo. So the next one is Antonov AN124. It was introduced in 1986 from Ukraine and is still used today. Though in limited numbers, it can carry up to 150 tons, great for heavy and oversized cargo. It's mostly used by international airlines and Volga.net. The next one, okay, next one is ATR 72. The smaller aircraft, it made for short haul and has capacity of about 8.9 ton. Uh, It was introduced in 2020 and is used by airlines like FedEx and Malaysia Raya Airways. It's a turboprop aircraft, which means it's more efficient for shorter distance. So the last one is McDonnell Douglas MD-11F. It's an older cargo aircraft made in the USA. Allah, aku salah mat.
Kau boleh ni dia potong-potong.
Okay. For my personal reflection is two delicious island that each aircraft serve a different purpose. Some are for long haul heavy cargo and others are better for short regional routes. I found the Antonov N124 the most interesting because it has a massive size and unique design. So that's all from me. Thank you.